What if everything scientists believed was suddenly proven wrong? A discovery so unexpected, it left the entire scientific community stunned. From leading researchers to global laboratories, nobody saw this coming. But when the evidence finally emerged, it changed the way we understand our world forever. In today's video, we're diving into the shocking breakthrough that challenged decades of science and the unbelievable truth behind it. Today, we will talk about this discovery shocked the entire scientific community. So before we start, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. 1. The discovery that changed everything. Throughout human history, science has always evolved through discoveries that challenged old beliefs and opened the door to completely new ways of understanding reality. However, every once in a while, a discovery emerges that does far more than simply add knowledge to textbooks. It shakes the very foundation of scientific understanding itself. One such discovery stunned researchers, confused experts, and sparked worldwide debate across laboratories, universities, and research centers. Scientists who had spent decades building theories suddenly found themselves questioning everything they once believed to be true. The discovery was not just surprising, it was revolutionary. 2. The beginning of an impossible experiment. The journey toward this groundbreaking discovery began inside a highly advanced research laboratory where a group of dedicated scientists were conducting what initially appeared to be a routine experiment. Their goal was relatively simple: to measure unusual energy patterns that have been appearing during deep space observations. At first, the research team believed the anomalies were caused by equipment malfunction, environmental interference, or computational errors. Yet every attempt to eliminate the strange signals only made the mystery even more complicated. As the data accumulated, the researchers noticed patterns that completely defied conventional scientific laws. Instruments that were considered among the most accurate in the world were recording results that should have been impossible according to existing theories. 3. Why scientists refused to believe it. When the research findings were first presented to the broader scientific community, the reaction was immediate skepticism. Many respected experts openly rejected the discovery because it challenged principles that had been taught in universities for decades. In science, extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence, and this discovery was so unbelievable that some researchers considered it dangerous to accept without intense scrutiny. Critics argued that the results violated known laws of physics and contradicted established mathematical models. Others believed the researchers had unintentionally manipulated the data or misunderstood the experiment. Heated debates erupted during scientific conferences, with some scientists defending the discovery while others fiercely attacked it for the evidence that could not be ignored. As additional experiments were conducted around the world, the evidence supporting the discovery became overwhelming. Laboratories in Europe, Asia, and North America all reported consistent findings that matched the original research. Advanced computer simulations confirmed the strange behavior observed in the experiments, while new technologies allowed scientists to examine the phenomenon in greater detail than ever before. What made the discovery particularly shocking was the precision of the data. The results were not random or accidental. They followed clear patterns that indicated an entirely new scientific principle might be operating beneath reality itself. Researchers observed interactions between matter and energy that had never been seen before. Some experts suggested that humanity had uncovered evidence of dimensions beyond the known universe, while others proposed the existence of previously unknown particles or forces. 5. How the discovery affected modern science. The impact of the discovery spread far beyond a single field of research. Entire branches of science were forced to reconsider their foundations. Physicists began rewriting equations that had remained unchanged for decades, while cosmologists developed new models of how the universe may function. Universities updated research programs, and students across the world suddenly found themselves studying theories that had not existed only a few years earlier. Technology companies also became deeply interested because the discovery hinted at possibilities that once belonged only to science fiction. Some researchers believe the new principles could eventually lead to revolutionary energy systems, faster computing technologies, or even advanced space travel. 6. Public reactions around the world. As news of the discovery reached the public, reactions varied dramatically across different communities and cultures. Some people viewed the breakthrough as proof that science still holds endless mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Others reacted with fear, believing the findings could challenge philosophical, religious, or existential beliefs about human existence. Social media exploded with theories, debates, and viral discussions as millions of people try to understand the significance of the discovery. Popular science channels, podcasts, and documentaries dedicated countless hours to explaining the phenomenon to audiences. Worldwide, celebrities, politicians, and business leaders joined the conversation, transforming the scientific breakthrough into a global cultural event. 7. The question scientists still cannot answer. Although enormous progress has been made since the original discovery, many questions remain unanswered even today. Scientists continue struggling to fully explain the mechanisms behind the phenomenon and its long-term implications. Some experiments have produced even stranger results, suggesting the discovery may be connected to deeper mysteries hidden within the fabric of reality. Researchers are still uncertain whether humanity has uncovered a completely new law of nature or merely a small piece of a much larger puzzle. One of the biggest challenges involves understanding how the discovery fits within existing scientific frameworks. Certain theories partially explain the observations, but none provide a complete answer. This uncertainty has created one of the most exciting periods of scientific exploration. In modern history, laboratories around the world continue competing to unlock the next stage of understanding. Every new experiment seems to reveal additional layers of complexity, pushing scientists closer toward answers while simultaneously creating new mysteries. 8. A discovery that will be remembered forever. In the end, this extraordinary discovery will likely be remembered as one of the defining scientific moments of the modern era. It demonstrated that even the most established theories can be challenged when new evidence emerges. More importantly, it reminded humanity that the universe is far stranger, more complex, and more mysterious than anyone could have imagined. The scientific community was shocked not only because the discovery contradicted long-held beliefs, but because it revealed how much remains undiscovered about existence itself. Future generations may look back on this moment as the beginning of an entirely new chapter in science, much like the discoveries of gravity, evolution, or quantum mechanics changed the world forever. As research continues, the full implications of the discovery may lead to technological revolutions, philosophical transformations, and deeper insights into the nature of reality. One thing is certain: this shocking breakthrough has permanently changed the way scientists think about the universe, and its influence will continue shaping the future of science for decades to come. But if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click the button to subscribe.